Good day, traders. How we all doing today? It is the Divergence Trader. It is 10:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in North America. Yes, indeed. So, it was a beautiful day today. It kind of wasn't at first. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what happened. So, anyway, I just want to show some trades here. I know we had one over here, right? Yes. We had one in between 7 and 8 o'clock as well. Let me draw them in for you. So we had like a rollover top kind of thing, kind of formation. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, and if we put that like that, that looks good. And this from here to here. Yeah, so we would have got short right on the opening of this candle at 19,600, and it went down and it gave you enough profit. Then we had, was there one here? Yeah, there was one here too. Lots of good trades today. Sure was crazy, the movement yesterday with the FOMC. Golly gee. There's the divergence. Still moving down. And that's a-okay. Okay. So we had a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Okay, there's the higher highs. You know how much the higher highs are in our trading plan of trading divergence. Just like the two moving averages, they're also part of the plan. Everything on the chart you see is part of the plan. Okay? Plan the trade, trade the fucking plan, right? That's what you need to do, my friends. If you have no plan, you're going to be in trouble. Okay? Plain and simple. Oh, they're just tanking it. Oh, I would have made a fortune today. Oh, I woulda, I coulda, I shoulda. Should have. But I didn't. I don't care. I still got like, what is it? It's like 174 points today I got. And I missed trades, man. I missed motherfucking trades. Okay? Yeah, I missed trades today. I'll show them to you right now. So anyway, here's this trade, and it worked out beautifully. It came down. The divergence, higher highs, lower high on the OSMA. The OSMA is pointing down with the stick I drew, meaning the market's going to go down. And it's going down even more and more and more. See? I just got out of the last trade right here. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. I did suffer some drawdown, but thank God it worked in my favor and came back down. So, let me show you here. I just drew it. This here is the trade that it was right here, and it's the setup. Like, I seen it in real time. All I had to do is click the buy button. But you know why I didn't click the buy button? Because the market, hold on, I'm sure it was open. It's like right here. Yeah. See? It's like it's just after the open. The open was right here. Okay? Just after the open. And I didn't buy it. And oh, it went up all the way up there. I would have took some good money there. But I missed the trade because I was a chicken. Bok, 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 bok. Sorry, I have to do the chicken thing. Because, you know, I know there's a lot of you do the same thing. And look at me, I've been trading 23 years. I'm still doing the same thing. I still get the fear, the chicken, you know, and I don't do the trade. What can we do about that? I don't know. It's hard to control emotions. I'm just like everybody else. So let me show you the point potential on that sucker. I was going to buy it like right here, just at these highs. So say I bought it right there. So we'll go right up to the R1. Yeah, the R1 line. That green dash line is the R1 line. Okay. 394 ticks, man. Yes, it was beautiful. Okay. So that was that one. Just put that over there. And then we had this one. And let me tell you, I missed this trade too. How did I do that? Well, I'll tell you. Here, so we'll just draw that on there like that. High and higher high right there. God damn, eh? And I would have got in right there. Okay, oh, there. You click on everything in here and they fucking light up like a, I don't know, look at these little circles here. Okay, so that was the entry. But I missed that trade. Can you, you want to ask why I missed it? I was so pissed. I come back, I go, oh my God, I missed this run up right here. I missed this one. And now I'm missing this one. I'm going, oh my God, am I ever going to get some trades in today? Well, anyway. Oh, excuse me. When I got in this sucker, it wasn't here. I was on my way for a nature walk. Yes, that happens, you know. So you need to go and, you know, do the deed and carry on in life, right? It's just part of life. So anyway, then what did we have here? We had a hook down. Yes, indeed, right there. Oh, don't do that, you little bugger. Okay. So down here, or no, it was down here. So I missed the trade. It went all the way to here. I waited for a retracement. I jumped in too damn quick. I got in right here. And of course, it went against me up here. And I was just about, if it would have went up higher, like up to here, I would have clicked out of my losing trade. Okay? But it didn't do that. And they smacked it back down. And by the movement of the movement, the way it was moving, the movement, I knew we were going to go at least down to here, at least take out these lows. So anyway, I was still in it, came down to here somewhere, and I got out. And yes, and then I sold it again somewhere in here. Not the higher close candle either, just somewhere in here. And then it came down and boom, I got out again. And that was it. I go, okay, I have 174 ticks. That's enough for me for today. You know, why put yourself through stress if you already done it and la-di-da, right? So anyway, just to show you some more. So that's a hook down. You would have got in right on the opening of this candle. And then right here we have a what? We have a higher close. You would have sold it on this one. A little bit of drawdown, not much. And down it goes. And that's it. So let's look at the what do you call it? The S and the P. 500. Okay. What do we have here? We have a double top, ladies and gentlemen. Is it perfect, this double top up here? No. Are you perfect? No. Am I perfect? No. Nothing needs to be perfect, especially in trading, because, you know, see, just like that. Boom. That's a double top. Doesn't have to be perfect. And down we go. So you get in the trade there, a sell. It would have came back on you. A little bit of drawdown. But you also realize, right, that our stop is right up here. right there, ladies and gentlemen. Did the price come back up and hit our stop here? No, it just came down and back up and down and back up and down and back up. It was beautiful. Just like a beautiful lady. Yes. Yes. Okay, hold on. Let me grab the arrow here, the arrow. So anyway, if you missed the entry on the opening of this candle, that's okay. A couple candles later, they're only 2 minutes each one. So you would have waited a top of maybe 4 minutes, and you would have got into this one. Higher close, sell it right here. Okay, and down it goes. Once again, this is a beautiful one right here. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. All the way down here. And then another one. There's another one, even though I wouldn't take this one because remember you need to sell near the top in here. Not at the top, but near the top. Okay? And why do you not try and sell at the top? Because you don't know if it's the fucking top yet or not. That's why. So, at least that's what I tell myself. You know, don't fucking sell at the top. Don't buy at the bottom because it could keep going up if you try and sell the top. And it could keep going down if you try and buy the bottom. You see what I mean? You need the indicators and the price tell you when to get in the trade. So like to get in the trade over here, the reasons are there was a double top, okay? And the 5, well, it didn't quite cross yet. So even if you got in right here, okay, the 5 is crossed down below the 7. That's another signal, another part of the criteria. And yeah, then you'd get in the trade. Then you'd know to get in the trade because all that criteria lined up and matched up. That's why. Everything you see on the chart is a very important part of the setup to trade these setups. Because like, I'm not bragging or conceited, but yeah, I've been staring at these fucking setups since 2011. And I started looking for them in 2007 and couldn't see them for years until finally I got the guy who showed me to spit it out. You should have seen what I had to do to get him to spit it out. It was like pulling teeth, man. Pulling teeth. And then he finally said it. Well, then you do this, and then you look for that, and then you get in, and you know, he didn't explain it. And now it's all explained. It's locked in my brain. It's in my course. How you get in the trade before it occurs. Before everything occurs. Now, I added all these other things, you know, these factors of the whole numbers and the R1, R2, R3 numbers, you know, and the whole numbers and the 50 numbers. And they're well respected. Look at how they respected the 5600 level up here, this green line. Look at how they respected it. They came right up to it, give it a kiss, and down we go. Okay? So anyway, there's one more here. I wouldn't have done it because I like to sell near the top. Not at the top, but near the top. Okay? So right there, boom, shakalaka. That's where you would have sold it, man. And it would have been a beautiful thing. Okay. So that's it for NinjaTrader. Now we're going to go and look at, you know, the MetaTrader, the scam platform. Yeah. Let's go look at it. Okay. NASDAQ. 5 minutes. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. This is the NASDAQ. High and higher high. And a lower high on the OSMA. So we would have sold it right there. And down it went. Beautiful thing. Then we have no divergence to buy it back up. And then we don't have any divergence, high and retracement and higher high. And we don't have any, you know, divergence to sell it down right here. So the only trades we could have done, I'll show you. I always like to show you guys. Okay, right there's the first one. Oh, that's the wrong. Jason. Sorry about that. I'm used to putting arrows on now. On the other chart, all arrows. Okay. Where are you? Right here, right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Look at that, eh? Look at how much it went down with almost zero drawdown. 132. Well, I don't know how many points it is. It's the S. No, it's a NASDAQ. It's, yeah. 132 ticks or points, whatever you want to call them. Okay, and the second trade of entry would be right there. Higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes, and it's still going down. Oh, I would have made a, I would have, could have, should have made a fortune today, but I didn't. I got out. I got out early. Ah, Jason. This is probably the move that should have happened yesterday, but it didn't happen. Instead, they just, they just fucking chopped people up like it was fucking liver. Ah, yeah. There's nothing like liver. You put it in some flour, and then you fry it up, and then you put, what is it? Campbell's or Heinz tomato soup in, and you chop up some onions into rings, and you put it in there, and you cover and steam it up. Oh, liver and onions, so good in a tomato sauce. Yeah, my mama used to make that for me. It was so good. But you don't want to eat too many of those organs. I'll tell you that. I hear they're really high in fat. Yeah, they're not good for you, but they taste good. Okay, so there's the two setups on the S and the P, or the NASDAQ. Here's the S and the P. Yeah, see, we have a high retracement, higher high, but see, this mountain needs to be lower than this one for it to work out. Oh, we're at the main pivot of the day now. It just hit it. The main pivot of the day. Okay. So we only have one higher close. I wouldn't even do this trade. It's too far down. You need to be a seller from up here. Not at the top up here, but somewhere in here you need to be a seller. Okay? Let's move on now to the Dow. Oh, look at it moved. Fuck. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and I don't know, almost 600. 598 points. There we go, 600. See the 600? 600 points from the top to the bottom. Wowza. Wowza, baby. And it's not divergent either. See, we got a high retracement, higher high, but this side, this Mount Everest needs to be on this side. And it's not. Anyway, we'll put one trade on here just for the kipper. Higher close candle, sell it, down it goes. How much money could have you made? Oh, a fucking fortune. Okay, 350. Yeah, it looks like we're going back to 19,000 on the NASDAQ. It's 19,350 right now, and it's still crashing. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Don't you just hate it when it crashes without you? It's like, come on, man. Let's crash the party together. Not apart, together. Okay, let's see if the pound did anything wild. Probably not. No. No. But we do have a trade. We'll mark it in for fun. Oh, not really. That's almost level. That's okay. We'll fix it. Sweet Caroline. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, went up 41 pips today. Well, what do you know? The pound dollar actually did a little bit of a move. What about this one? No, I thought we had a high and a higher high and sell it. You still could have sell it. you know, of a moving average cross down. Still would have been good. We're not, let's just quickly look at the euro. Yeah, whatever. Pound yen, what did it do? Oh yeah, there was some divergence here, right here. Before the UK market opened, this is on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you would have sold in there and down it went. And along the way, what did we have? We had some higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Okay, right here, another one, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Beautiful. See that double bottom there? We don't even really have to mark it because we already have the line there. This line, the 191 line. So you would have got long right there. And this is the pound yen. Yes, pound yen. Oh, wow. It went up 168 pips. Wow. Wow, did the pound yen move today? That's like the old days. The old days of 2006 to 2010, 11. It's really funny. I don't know if anybody knows this or not. Let's call it a fun fact, okay? That back in 2007, 2008, well, actually, it was before that. It was before that. I guess it was in the early to mid 2000s. The NASDAQ would move 3 to 5 points in a day. 3 to 5 points. Now it moves that if you fucking sneeze. Crazy, huh? Yeah. Now it moves hundreds of points. And you know what? There's been trillions of dollars more put into the world. Where all those bills come from? $100 bills. Where did they come from? Oh, you know. But I won't get into that. So it's created these markets to move faster, quicker, you know, with all this money in the world now. It's a crazy thing. So anyway, there's the trades for the pound yen, euro yen. Yeah, the same kind of trade. The higher highs and da-da-da. It's exact same as the pound yen, but I'll just quickly mark up a few, okay? And right here. It's a little tricky, but you draw it in there. So we would get long right in here. And yeah, went up 116 pips on the euro yen. And along the way, what did we have? We had a couple of lower close, buy it, up it goes. And one more. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Beautiful thing. Okay, let's look at oil now. I put it on the 1 minute, didn't I? Yeah, let's put it back to the 5 now. Oh. Just roaming hills here. So the only trade I'm going to say is right here. Kind of like a double top kind of thing. Yeah, I know sometimes you have to use your imagination to draw in these setups, right? If we drew it over from over here and over here, it wouldn't look right now, would it? But you can see right here, it gave you, it cleared this chop shop clusterfuck right here, okay? Once this candle broke down through it and closed below all of it, it's like screaming at you, saying, hello, sell it, man. Sell the mother, you know, right in there. Sell it. And look at how far it went down. You know, 95 pips or ticks right there on oil. Okay, and then we had gold. Oh, gold. Oh, I must have already. Yeah, I did. I already marked that in last night when I was still awake and I should have been sleeping. Yeah. Lower lows and buy it, and up it goes. Do, 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 do. Along the way, we had a lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Fucking beautiful, eh? Oh, yeah, baby. It's beautiful. And that's all the markets that we usually look at and trade right there. And now we'll take a look. I say I'm going to look at Bitcoin once a week, and I look at it every day. Yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Oh, they're squeezing it down even more. XRP, they're probably squeezing it down. Yeah, see right there. But at least so far it's held up above this here. Usually by now already, like a week's passed. Oh yeah, it would be right back down here if not made a new low. That's what they do every time. Somebody's stepping on it and farting on their head. That's what's happening. It's not supposed to do that. It should be over $100 XRP. So we got to wait and see what happens with that. Ethereum, yeah, they're stomping on it too. And silver, yeah, they're still stomping on it. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's show. I want to thank you for coming out and driving out and, watching the show and listening to the show. If you really like the show, I would really like it if you'd hit the like button. That would be awesome. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that too. I'd really appreciate it. So, today's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday today. That's right. We still have tomorrow yet. Tomorrow's non-farm payroll. That's right. That's right. We got to be careful, but we still got to trade. We just got to be on the right side at the right time. Okay. Thanks again. Have a good Thursday afternoon. And if you trade the power hour today, be careful. Look for the setup. Only trade the setups. Okay? Okay. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.